What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down the end of my week. I'm going to show you a couple different plays that I made of the popular stocks that were talked about on Twitter, some cryptocurrencies, and a couple of the different stocks that got halted from trading on Robinhood and other brokers. I'm going to break down my couple plays that made me a couple $100 to end the week. For the week, I believe I'm up close to $900, or roughly about 11 to 12% of my account. So it was a very good week, one of my better ones that I've ever had, and definitely the best one of the year so far. So if you guys are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I'm going to be posting weekly about my Robinhood trades, about making money in general, whether that's through AdSense, just passive income, affiliate marketing, just any way that you can make a little bit more money and get you one step closer to financial freedom. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and drop a like on this video if you end up liking it. So let's jump right onto the screen share. All right, guys, so like I said, I'm going to go ahead and just show you a couple of the plays that I made towards the end of the week. Not many. I played shares on Sundial, and then I'll talk about Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency that kind of blew up again, which is a little bit of a meme coin, but there's money to be made off of it. So I'll start by just showing you the Sundial growers. I bought 650 shares at 86 cents. This was a call out in a Discord group that I'm in. It had a good run, and I've been playing it. I played it yesterday, and I played a little bit of it today as well. So bought 650 shares for $559. And as it spiked up, I continued to sell off. I wanted to make sure I grab profit whenever I can. So you'll see that I sold 325 shares at $1.12. I sold 200 shares at $1.19. At that point, I pretty much made my money back, and I was just playing with profit at that point. So it continued to spike, and I sold it at $1.28 and $1.31 for my remaining shares. So I made about $140 off of that play. It was a pretty quick play. I'd say within an hour, made $140. So can't really go wrong with that, especially with shares. I don't have the best luck with shares. I normally try to do some options calls. That makes my profitability go way higher, and it's a higher risk, higher reward. So after that, you'll see that I did buy MUX. It was another call out, so I'm continuing to hold that. That's a 319 expiration. But I'll show you the Dogecoin, Doggycoin, whatever you want to call it, but I believe it's good Dogecoin. I bought 10,035 Dogecoin at a 0.05 price. And it actually was giving me some issues with Robinhood last night. This was late on Thursday as it continued to spike up, and I believe it reached almost 10 cents. It spiked up to like 0.08, 0.09. But once I saw that there was profit, again, I sold a little bit here at 0.06, got back almost half, and then I sold some more. This was because I was having some issues with selling, but I went ahead and sold some more, and now, again, I'm almost fully out here, and then I sold 1,288 for another $100. So as you can see, made back what I put in with these two, and then I was playing with my profit, made about $100 profit off of that. And then as you can see here, this was an issue with having, I tried buying Dogecoin, it gave me an error, and then later on, later on in the night, it actually just went through randomly. So this is why you're seeing a buy at 0.06, and then luckily it kept going up. So I actually sold that. I sold out. There was a remaining, 1,400 to 1,800. There was an extra 400 coins there. But I sold out fully at $145. So as you can see, I put in 504, got it back with that. I put in, took out $100. I put in that $100 pretty much again and came out with that. So about $150 return on Dogecoin, which not bad at all for a late night play. When something's trending on Twitter like that, and you have everybody, big names tweeting it out, you can't really go wrong. It's gonna go up like that, especially with how this week's events have gone. So I took advantage, made $150, so I can't really complain with that. And that's how I ended my week. So I am still in some plays here. You'll see I have AMC calls, I have DraftKings, and I'm still in the MUX call. But for the week, I'm up almost 11%. I'm up 10.68% with $360. Now that's not counting my hold from the Friday before. Obviously, it's the week, but if I go ahead and show you here from the 22nd, the start of the 22nd, you know, it was just about $2,900 to now, so about $800 gain in I'll count it in a week since I held that. So not bad at all for a week's gain, and I hope to continue this up. This has, you know, been some of the best trading that I've been doing, the most profitable. I'm being smart with my trades, and I'm not, you know, I'm not risking it all on every single trade, but I'm making some good profit, you know, on every trade that I'm doing, and it's working out. So guys, thank you so much for checking out the video, and if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's going to help me out a ton. You can hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date whenever I post videos. I'm having a lot of fun with trading, so you know, these first couple videos will probably be mostly about Robinhood, but I'll get into, you know, the money I'm making on YouTube and other sites, and then talk about obviously my full-time job and talk about some income that I'm getting from that. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.